Here one of the wireless technology we are using ESP now, and this is completely on Wi-Fi, that is ESP now based. So we have one table. Actually this module is connected or using ESP32 to this robot. So they both are connected via Wi-Fi, that is ESP now. So let me explain what is this project. First of all, this is a service made robot. So this can be used in schools, offices, or any institutes, etc. So the purpose of this robot is to serve the requirements or whenever anyone asks from the tables. So let's say hypothetically we are as an example we have selected one place. So we have selected an option called let's say an example, an office have a number of cubicles. So every table requested something. Okay, let me explain this how it works. First of all, so from the table the request comes by using the keypad. The users raise the request. So example, now if I press, okay, I'll take this keypad nearby so that we can see. So they select the table first. So for selecting tables we have four options here. I've selected, if it is table 1, okay, table A, that is 1 is selected, or we can select anything like 4 tables. Okay, so let me say that I've selected table 2, and meanwhile it is showing the service robot only because we have not yet transmitted any data. And if you want to start from again, and we can press the start button and it shows again select the table. Now let me select table A or table B. Okay, table 2 selected, and I want some things like I have 9 options here. So let's say 1 as water, 2 as files, 3 papers, 4 stapler, food, pen, folder, register, pencil, anything we can have customized here. Let's say for example I'm selecting 5, and that's how on table 2 the person selected the option 5, that is food. Okay, so now we need to send the data by just pressing. Now you can see there are no wires connected to this module to the robot, so it's completely independent. So now let me press the hash button, and the moment it shows sent, and here it shows table 2 required food. So that's how the system is about to start. Now the request has raised, so let me move this table part aside, and let us start how it works. Now from the management room or the maintenance room, now they need to start. So we are using the touch capacitive touch option in ESP32, so no need of buttons or etc anything. And also how do the robot know that the table it reached the table? So we place the RFID cards, and we have an RFID reader here. So as the robot is moving forward, and also using the line follower technology, because we may not control the direction of the motors if it is going off the track sometimes. So that's why we are using IR, that black line follower technology. And on that we are placing these ID cards, because the card 1 says the table 1, card 2 says the table 2, and so on, 3, 4, etc. Okay, so we have arranged all these cards. So now the robot is not yet started because we have not placed the food on this robot. Now in the next stage we are going to add a box and container etc for all these things. So how to start? We are not pressing any button, we just need to touch it. So okay, so before starting let me show how this works. So as the robot moves forward, it checks for the track correction, and we can actually make the junctions in, we are also planning to make some junctions so that it can go left or right or forward etc, it takes decision. Okay, for now so let us start the robot, and as it is going on, it scans the card and takes a decision whether it is first table or second table. So let me go on here, and just a small touch. Okay, robot started moving. First decision, second decision. Okay, now you see here it's already crossed the RFID tag. Okay, because the robot is a bit forward fast, so it is just crossed a little bit. But yes, as a request is from table 2, it reached table 2. So once the table 2 is reached, just as a confirmation, the user, okay, here the user need to touch it so that it shows task completed. That's how the total system works, and in future we can add few more things like a camera and also a return back system, and many things can be added. So this is a completely autonomous vehicle or a robot where it assists the people in getting the things within the office floor or anywhere, the colleges, etc. That's all, and we are looking forward for the updates to this robot.